Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Password Manager. And in today's video, I will show you on how to update your account password, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Google. So go ahead and click on Google right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google account name. Proceed with Google account. Then go ahead and scroll down. Then go ahead and click on sign in and security. Then scroll down right here until you get to password manager. Go ahead and click on password manager. The next thing you want to do is to locate the account you want to update the password from your Google account password manager right here. I'm going to update my Yahoo password right here. Unlock with your security, and then here we go. This particular password here, I'm going to update it. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and click on edit. Once you click on edit, go to password right here, enter your new valid password. Then go ahead and hit on save. And the password has been successfully updated. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.